Hey, everybody, it's Robert the Funnel Man. Bam! I hope everything's going okay for you today. I'm going to keep this short and sweet. I'm going to show you and try to rationalize with you why a portfolio is good. Because when you create a portfolio, and I'm talking in the terms of ClickFunnels 2.0, it's the only software that I use as far as funnel creation for my business. So when you create a portfolio, you're then able to actually show the world, your competitors, your clients, your prospective clients, you're able to actually show them what you can do, what you've done in the past for previous clients, what your intentions are for the future. A portfolio is just awesome. And I'm going to show you my portfolio. And we're going to take a look at it and you decide, okay? You tell me what you want to do with your business. Do you want to grow your business, scale your business? You know, social media is huge. If you want to scale your business, make your business grow, you've got to get on social media. You need, videos. It's the number one way to share your content is with videos. Now, I'm not saying that you have to do videos, but I tell you what, it sure will go a long ways. But let's go ahead and take a look at my portfolio, show you my screen here. Hope everybody can see that. Now, this is my portfolio, okay? And this is actually my funnel hub, okay? I created what's known as a funnel hub, and I can have everything I want right here, right on the funnel hub. No questions asked, just do it to it, okay? I can have it all right here on the funnel hub. And what I like about my funnel hub is you can put different links in here. I've got home, I have about, if you go here to about, okay? This is my about page, and so I have everything about Robert the Funnel Man. Right here, if you notice, I've got portfolio. If you can see right here a portfolio, I'm going to click on my portfolio. And now when people come to my page, and by the way, if you notice up here that this is not quite showing, that's because I have it full screen. Believe me, it looks fantastic. All the margins are right and correct. It's just I have it full screen, okay? But anyway, this is the Funnel Man's portfolio, okay? And on here, I'm able to relay to my prospective clients, people who want to follow me and join me. I'm here, on my portfolio, and this is the best way to share what you do, okay? So here, I've named it the Funnel Man's Portfolio Client Testimonials, but there's much more than that. Also able to put an image of me here, and by the way, I'm a designer as well, so, I know how to do Canva and Figma and all that other good stuff, okay? So, and also never do not, collect emails. Make sure that you collect emails, okay? It's so important. So the first thing you're going to do is come here and you're going to collect emails. Now, if you notice with mine, I actually am giving away my AI guide that I created in Canva. And so this is known as an ethical bribe in the industry. But anyway, they put their email in here, they click start today, and then automatically I send them my new AI guide. Okay, AI is huge, it's something that everybody wants. And so, that's another good thing to have on your portfolio. Now, scrolling down, also linchpin, if you need a linchpin funnel, I'm here. I know how to do it. And, it's really awesome, whenever you can have some recurring revenue. And so keep in mind that all of this is on my portfolio. And so right here, if they want to go quickly to check out some funnel designs, then I've got that right here. You just click right here. They go directly to my funnel designs, okay? And so here, I've got all kind of different funnel designs that I've done. Remember, I'm showing off my work. This is my portfolio. Let's go all the way back up to the top here. And I want you to notice these links that I have here. Got a link there. Got a link here to the testimonials. Got a link to the funnel wireframes. I've got a link for people to be able to schedule. If you have some testimonials that you want somebody to look at and you send them to your portfolio link, okay, they're going to click on recent testimonials and it's going to go directly to your testimonials. This is huge, okay? Testimonials. And if you notice, I have quite a few testimonials. I've got so many that there's no way am I going to put them all on here. It would be ridiculous. But anyway, I love that. But it's all because of my portfolio, okay? And let's say if they wanted to go to funnel wireframe, they just click that and bam, they go straight to funnel wireframe. And if you haven't seen my other videos, I actually explain how to do the scrolling scrolling section. That's what this is called. When they click here, they scroll to another section. And if you subscribe, to my channel, I'm going to teach you all this stuff. It's very cool. Now, let's say if they wanted to schedule. So they just click on schedule. I've got my scheduler right here, ready for them to rock and roll. And then, if you scroll on down, guess what else I have? I've got a guarantee there. 100% premium quality is what I guarantee. And at the bottom, I thought I would just put some, some credentials, so they can see that I've been building funnels since 2016. And then I've got different certificates for all this stuff. I really, really hope that you understand the importance of having a portfolio. So, and if we come down here, okay, I've got these little characters that I created in Canva. And so here, when they click on here, get started now, you always want to be ready to capture that email, so you can continue to build your list. So I tell you what, let me come back over here, and I hope you got something out of this. I really do. I'm here for you. Please subscribe, share my videos. I'm going to be having a lot of different things that have to do with online marketing, online businesses, email follow-up sequences. I'm going to be doing a whole lot of different interesting things inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. And if you look down in the description, you can get the ClickFunnels 2.0 free 2-week trial. Try it out. You'll be surprised at what you can do. As a matter of fact, if you look back here, I actually create all of my funnels, all of my portfolios. Everything that I do, I create with ClickFunnels 2.0. So very interesting platform. You can do anything that you want to on this platform. And please subscribe, like, share my videos. Come on back for the next one, okay? Because I've got a lot of stuff that I'm going to cover, and I really don't want you to miss out on this. If you are someone who really don't know how to get started online and you want to learn, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to teach you just a plethora of different things that we can do online to start making money. It's an extraordinary platform, ClickFunnels 2.0, and I'll be showing you how to do Figma design, Canva design, just all kind of stuff. Everything is down in the description. And also, I want you to realize that here in a very short period of time, I'm going to unleash my Funnel Builder membership. It's a free Funnel Builder membership site. It's free, and I have a early bird link down in the description if you want to join that. Whenever you do click on the early bird subscription, then you will be able to be the first to know whenever I release the membership site. So I hope you got something out of this. I'm gonna let you go. Keep on rocking on, seize the day, make it happen, and we'll talk to you real soon. Have a good one. This is Funnel Man Robert Phillips.